Today I want to talk to you about something that is far more deadly than the coronavirus. This virus I'm talking about doesn't just affect you, but it affects your children, your children's children, and everybody you care about. This virus is called racism and separatism. I'm talking about prejudice, discrimination, or hostility directed against someone of a different race, religion, or class, based on the belief that you are more superior to them. People who try to divide and rule are the ones who bring in racism and division. It happens in many spheres of our lives. Racism and separatism happen in families, at work, in sports, and mainly in politics. A person who is racist is someone who is weak, has a character flaw, and is extremely selfish. Racism and division brings hurt and discouragement, depression, and finally it leads to war. And remember, it doesn't matter who you think wins the war, war is hell. If you look at the last war, which went on for almost 30 years, the effects of it go on for generations. In the north, there are fathers and mothers still hurting because they lost their child at a tender age. There are children who have grown up without their fathers, with devastating insecurity and loneliness. Let's look at the south. There are soldiers who lost their limbs forever. Some of their families are shattered today. In one rehabilitation center for the army, there is a soldier lying there in a coma for over 20 years. You see, it doesn't matter how you look at it. War is hell. No one really wins. And we arrive at this devastating place because of racism and separatism and division in a nation. So I urge all of you to take a stand against racism, separatism, and division. If somebody is promoting it in your family or your workplace or even amongst your so-called friends, you need to stand up against it. And if that fails, stay away from it. Don't be contaminated by this deadly virus that is worse than COVID-19. If a politician promotes racism and separatism, remember, he doesn't care about you. He only cares about himself. And he's using this destructive method for temporary and personal gain. He will help destroy everybody you love and everybody you care for generations to come. Whatever political party you may belong to. Now, you can choose whatever party you want to. But please, don't vote for a person who tries to divide and rule for selfish ambition, because they bring ruination beyond measure. When you find someone who is big enough to take criticism, who does not need to bring in cheap racism or separatism, who has a character strong enough to stand for what they believe in and what is good for others, then you have found the right person. Putting right people in the right place to govern our future, especially in times like this, is in your hands. So, it is time for you and I to reject racism, separatism, and division at any cost. Just think a moment. This is Dishan signing off. Think today for a better tomorrow. After all, today was yesterday's tomorrow.